Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a common issue we all face when shopping online. Why it's a good idea to pause before rushing to leave a bad review on Amazon, and why reaching out to Amazon or the seller first can often lead to a better outcome. I know how frustrating it can be when a product arrives and it's not what you expected, or worse, it's defective. Your first thought might be to jump straight into the review section and leave a negative rating. But here's why you should take a moment and consider another approach. First, it's important to remember that most sellers on Amazon don't have direct control over the manufacturing process. The defect might not be their fault at all. However, they do have control over customer service, and many sellers are happy to help resolve the issue, often by sending a replacement. In fact, in some cases, you might even receive a free gift as a thank you for being patient and not jumping to conclusions. So, by reaching out to the seller or Amazon's customer service first, you could end up with a much better experience than you expected. Also, don't forget that while Amazon has a solid return policy, not every product is returnable. That's why it's always best to contact customer service or chat with the seller to figure out the best solution for your situation. The key here is to stay calm and polite during the conversation. Trust me, it goes a long way in ensuring things go smoothly, and you're far more likely to walk away satisfied. Now, this doesn't mean you should never leave a bad review. Honest reviews are important, especially if a seller refuses to help or is uncooperative. But if they're willing to accommodate you and fix the issue, it might be worth giving them that chance. You'll likely end up getting the product you wanted, and your experience won't be soured by a negative review that could have been avoided. I'd love to know what you think of this approach. Have you ever had a situation where reaching out to Amazon or a seller first made things right? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.